Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Today happens to be the first day of my channel. Please kindly subscribe to it to get updates whenever I've uploaded a video. Kindly subscribe and kindly watch the video to the end so that you understand what I'm saying. And kindly like, comment and subscribe and share the video as well. When you receive a message on your account that the account is not allowed to use WhatsApp, when you see this message on WhatsApp, never panic. There are two ways you can solve this account. The first one is you go to your email account. You visit your email account. You go to Compose, and you write to WhatsApp. So what you do is you write to WhatsApp. So the two is you write support at support.whatsapp.com. Support, you write support at support.whatsapp.com. So let's go. Support at support.whatsapp.com. So when you write this to WhatsApp, after you've done writing this to WhatsApp, after you finish to WhatsApp or you write support.whatsapp.com, the subject you write account ban. The subject you write account ban, and the compost or what you write to WhatsApp is hi WhatsApp or hi WhatsApp account or my WhatsApp account. Or you can write hi WhatsApp or hi. You can say hi WhatsApp. My account was banned by mistake, and I would like you to help me review it. You write hi WhatsApp. My account was banned by mistake, and I would like you to help me review it. Here, don't add your telephone number to it, and you submit to them. The moment you submit to them, you receive a message. The message that every message we have reply under it. So under it, you then reply to that message. You just click reply and add your telephone number to it. But here, hi WhatsApp, my account was banned by mistake. I would like you to help me review it. Here, don't add your WhatsApp number to it. If you add your WhatsApp number to it, they won't attend to you. So if you want them to attend to you, here, don't add your WhatsApp number to it. Then send it. And you see 5 or 2, immediately they will reply the message. Then that you add your WhatsApp number to it. Every message down we have reply forward and whatever on the down. So go to click on reply, then that you add your WhatsApp number to it, so that WhatsApp will help you to review or to get your account back. And another step is you click on WhatsApp contact. Here you fill in the information. So here you type in your WhatsApp number. And so the first one is the country number, and the second one you tap the number that you use it for your WhatsApp account that has been banned, that number. So you tap it there. Here you type your email there, the email that if WhatsApp want to get in touch with you, you type your email there. And what type of phone that the WhatsApp is on. If your WhatsApp is on Android phone, you choose the first one. If it's on the iPhone, or wherever the phone was, the WhatsApp was, and they ban, you take. And this, you give them this message. So let's go. So I'll give them this number, this email. I'm using Android. So what I'll tell them is, hi WhatsApp. Hi WhatsApp. Hi WhatsApp. My account was banned by mistake, and I would like you to help me review it. Here, don't add your telephone number because you have already added it in the beginning. And you click next. You click next. You click next. Yes. Here, after you click here. Send question. Send question. Send question. And send question. It will send to WhatsApp so that everything will be successful and you get your account back. So you know I've given you two methods or two procedures. So if when the first one didn't work, try the second one. You get your WhatsApp back. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please share this information. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.